Hi, I'm Steve Sherman, and today we're going to show you how to use the Inspire Plus front panel, and we're going to be doing some jogging and hand wheeling to move the table around for setting up your job. So when you're on the main screen, if you press F2 jog, you'll get a touch screen of all your X, Y, and Z axis. So if you press X negative, your table will move in the X negative direction, X positive, Y negative, Y positive, and the same with your Z axes. So Z plus will be up, Z negative down. And you can control that feed rate by your feed rate override knob. So if we turn it down to 10%, you'll see which percentage you're at on the screen. It slows down your feed rate. When you're finished using the jog function, you can press escape to get back to the main screen. And if you want to use the hand wheel knob, you can press F3 hand wheel and now select which axis you want to control. I'll select X. And again, you can use the feed rate override knob to control your speed. And you'll see on the bottom left corner, your distance per click. So right now I'm in X. If I move to Y, and same with your Z axis. And again, your feed rate override knob controls the speed of your cranking, and it'll break it down in distance per click on the screen. When you're done using that, you can press escape to get back to the main screen, and you're ready for your next step.